How can we give away free holidays? Hotels and resorts are rarely full. In fact, most have a 70% occupancy rate. Remember, Airbnb has significantly impacted the hotel industry. But of course, they're always open with fixed costs of wages, electricity, air conditioning, cleaning, maintenance, etc. And they nearly always have rooms available. So we help fill these rooms with our promotional holiday incentives. Our new customers win as they get a luxury vacation for 2 people at no extra cost, plus an effective website or an easy online business or marketing programs. Our referral partners who refer new clients to us win. They either get a free holiday or go in the draw to win a free holiday. The hotels resorts win as they get more people in their resorts who pay for room service as well as dine and drink in the restaurants and bars and pay for tours and enjoy a spa. We win. We buy your holiday at a huge discount rather than spending on other promotions and advertising. Click the link below to see how you can get a free holiday for 2 people. Check out the locations and some of the hotels and resorts available. Please use the link below to learn more or contact us to see how you can get a free holiday for 2.